just got some stuff in the mail. I'm putting on these little bars in front of the front splitter. I got so excited I forgot to grab the camera. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing right now. My mom's cooking still. I'm just gonna shoot to the car. Alright, here it is. Just got this installed. Pretty easy install. Kind of small. Might order some larger ones. But yeah, I'm gonna do the other side and see how's it gonna look. Alright, let's go. Super easy install. Not too hard. Not like super easy, but okay. Damn. She getting there. Alright guys, I'm done with that. I think I'm waiting for the springs to come in. And I'll be lowering the car. Because she needs to get to that low, you know? Can't be looking like that. Going around, you know? Alright guys, I'll be back. See you guys later. Peace out. Yo, I finally got my parts. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright, this is the first time I'm ever gonna got some of these. And then this. This is the front ones, and the long ones are the back ones. Tools to adjust the height. And the two springs. Cool. Yeah, seems like it should fit. Alrighty guys, pretty tired today. But yeah, I'm very excited about this project. I'm freaking send it. Alright, I'm gonna change it around tomorrow probably. Do the first tire, or the front left driver's side. And then I'm gonna put it at max, see how low it goes, just for the heads. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Deuces. See you guys in a bit.